In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right CrookCatcher app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, I'll uninstall the app. Now to get the right CrookCatcher app on your Android smartphone, just head over to Play Store. So look for this Play Store app, tap on it to open. And from here, search for your app by name. So I just search for CrookCatcher. It is here, it is just one word, and here is the app that comes on top. Open it and make sure it is from CrookCatcher, that is written as one word, and the tagline for CrookCatcher is "Who touched?" as a question. At the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with over 81,000 reviews. So if you see this, you have the right details. Currently this app has over 10 million downloads, and by the time you're watching this might have changed, and this is the logo. So typically this app helps to capture the image of anyone who tries to unlock your phone without your password. Once you see these details, you know that you have the right app. Now to install, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of CrookCatcher app and then install it on your smartphone. So that's how you can install the right CrookCatcher app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.